Welcome back to even another episode of starting fourth or learning the fourth programming language. I want to do another one today. Uh, there's, we learned swap and dupe and over and drop and rote. And we also learned how to show what's on the stack .s. So it's shown the top there. But there's some additional stack operators I'd like to show you now. These are prefixed with 2, indicating that they manipulate pairs in the stack. And it's best just to show you. So I'm going to put in my stack again. 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to just show you what my stack looks like. 3, 2, 1. With the top being 1. I put in 3 first. Right, now we have 2 swap. All right. Now I can show you what that looks like without destroying the stack. So it reverses the top 2 pairs of numbers. And actually, looks like I did that wrong. Should be 2 swap. Yeah, there it goes. Takes D1 and D2. For some reason, that's not looking right to me. Let's clear this out. All right, we're clear here. Let's put 2 and 3 on the stack. Right, that's exactly right. Now what we're going to do is 2 swap. Well, now that is interesting. Yes, in this version of it, it doesn't work, which is interesting. It's supposed to reverse the top 2 pairs. Oh, top 2 pairs of numbers. 2 pairs of numbers. So see, this is my mistake. And I haven't done this in quite some long time. So let's do stack is clear, empty. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And we're going to display our stack. All right. Now, 2 swap is going to reverse the top 2 pairs of numbers. Pairs. Took me a while to figure that out in my head for some reason. There you see. Took 1 and 2 and put them at the top and 3 and 4 down at the bottom. Kept them in the same order, but swapped the pairs. And I wasn't thinking about it. I was thinking about just dealing with 2 numbers out of the 3, and that's just a swap. All right. And then let's clear this one out again. All right. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 dupe, which duplicates the top pair of numbers. Pair of numbers. Okay. 2 dupe. And you see the top pair was 3, 4, and it duplicated 3, 4. All right. So I'm just going to get rid of the 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 2 over makes a copy of the second pair of numbers and pushes it to the top. Second pair of numbers. So is that the 1, 2 or the 2, 3 in our current stack, which includes 4, 3, 2, 1, with 4 at the top and the 1 at the bottom? Well, let's find that out. 2 over. And it did take the second pair, not the top pair, second pair of numbers in their stack and brought those to the top while it copied them. So it's got 1, 2 from the 1, 2 at the bottom, and then 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, I should say. All right. So again, I'll clear out the last two. All right, that's what our stack looked like. 1, 2, 3, 4 with 4 at the top and 1, 2 at the bottom. And I really didn't use these a lot, so it is difficult for me. These just discard the top pair of numbers. 2 drop. 3 and 4. Now it makes sense. All right. Okay. Now, that takes a little getting used to. There it is. And again, just going to show you the list of words that we've gotten through. We did a plus, did minus, multiply, divide, flash mod, swap, dupe, over, rotate, drop. Then we did our doubles. 2, swap, which again I'm bad about these. 2 dupe, 2 over, 2 drop. 2 drop made sense to me. Okay. But anyhow, there you go. You see what they do. So again, I'm going to take a break here, but it does make a comment here about double length numbers and single length numbers. Integers which encompass a range of negative 2 billion to a positive 2 billion is double length. Again, this was back in 1980, whatever. The way these fourths handle it now may be different. And single length numbers are from a negative 32,768 to a positive 32,767, which again, as you know, single length and double length may not necessarily be applicable. Don't worry about those. I'm sorry. Hate to say it that way, but we'll worry about those later. So there you go. I brought you up to date on it. I'm going to leave this right here to show you what the words. So now on to uh, next thing, which is the editor. Looking at the dictionary, writing up words. All right. All right. So we shall return. Thanks. Bye.